Hello, good morning. Welcome back to the online class once again. So today we are going to learn singular and plural in the exercise. So let me tell you, singular means only one and plural means more than one. So students, let's get started the video. So here I have given few examples of singular nouns. We have to change this into plural nouns. Okay. So here boy. Boy is a singular, so what will be the plural of boy? It will be boys, because most of the singular nouns we add s in the plural. Okay, but there are also some nouns which we have to follow the rules. Okay, so here boy will become boys in plural. Our next question is this, dish, this. The ending letter of this is sh. If the singular noun end with sh, then we have to add es. Okay, it will become dishes. bench. If any singular nouns end with ch. Okay, if any singular noun ends with ch, we have to add es to make it plural. Okay, our next question is fox. Its last letter is x. Okay, its last letter is x. So here also we have to add es to make it plural. Fox will become foxes. Okay, our next question here. Few singular nouns ending with o. Okay, few singular nouns ending with o gets es in the plural noun. Okay, but most of the nouns ending with o gets only s in the plural. Okay, so here hero will become heroes, tomato will become tomatoes. Here photo, its last letter also ending with o, but here we will just add s to make it plural. photos, photos. Okay, our next question is lady. Okay, lady, lady. So the ending letter is y, and before y there is a consonant. D is consonant. So what we have to do, we have to replace the y into I, and then we have to add es to make it plural. Lady will become ladies. Okay, in place of y we have to write I, then we have to add es to make it plural. Our next question, baby. Here also the last letter is y, and before y there is consonant. So the same way we have to change this baby also. Baby will become babies. Fly. Its last letter also y, and before y there is consonant, so it will be also like the same, ladies and babies. Fly will become flies. Our next question, city. Its last letter is also y, and before y there is consonant, so we have to replace the y into I. Okay, and then we have to add es to make it plural. City will become cities. Okay, so our next question, toy. So its last letter is also y. Okay, but here we have to add only s to make it plural, because before y there is vowel. O is vowel, so we have to make it plural by just adding s. Toys will become toys. Okay, our next question, key. Its last letter is also y, and before y there is vowel. E is vowel, so we have to just add es to make it plural. Okay, students, I hope you are understanding. Our next question, baby. Its last letter is y, it is ending with y, and before y there is consonant, so we have to replace y with I, then we have to add es to make it plural. Baby will become babies. Okay, our next question, girl. So just before I told you that most of the singular nouns get s to make it plural, so girl will become girls. We have to just add s to make it plural. Girls, girl, girls. Life, L-I-F-E, life. The ending letter of life is F-E. So what we have to do to make it plural? We have to remove the F-E. Okay. And we have to add V-E-S to make it plural. Life will become lives. Okay. Here also the ending letter is F-E. So we have to remove the F-E and add V-E-S to make it plural. Knife will become knives. K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. Our next question, thief. Its last letter is F, so we have to remove the F and we have to add VES to make it plural. Okay, thief will become thieves. Our next question, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Here there is double O and these double O's are vowel. So we have to change this double O into double E to make it plural. Okay. Foot will become feet. Foot means one, feet means many. Okay. L-E-A-F, leaf. Its first letter is F. Okay. So we have to remove the F and we have to add V-E-S to make it plural. Leaf will become leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. So our last question is deer. So there are few nouns. Okay, there are few nouns that are same both in singular and plural. So deer is singular and it will be same in plural also. Okay, deer, deer. Okay students, I hope you have understood singular and plural and its rules, how to change it. So students, for today's video lesson only this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.